Good day to all of you who are here and who are watching and listening to me right now. After a long mission abroad as a hospital cook for more than 30 years, I think, I'm here now back in the Philippines to do another mission, and I am ready for this calling as a healer. Although I practiced this several times abroad, to be specific in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, I do massage. Mostly my patients are nurses, technicians, engineers, and sometimes doctors. Of course, and sometimes our staff in the kitchen. But I don't practice it all the time because abroad in like specifically in Saudi Arabia, it is prohibited by the law, especially if you don't have a license to do such things. But I can't ignore, they're paying me, so I can't ignore sometimes. There's a lot of incidents that happens to my life that I can't explain, and I consider that an spiritual and sign from God, like the repeating numbers, synchronization, a simple wish that after an hour there is an answer, like a very simple wish like I'm craving for boiled egg because more than a week now I can't eat boiled egg, because my money is just, budgeted for I don't have too much money. Then suddenly my sister coming after a minute, 10 or 15 minutes, she's giving me three boiled egg. For me that is synchronization, a simple wish, immediate there's an answer. And 3 days ago I need pichay, like what's that? Like that's like spinach, but in the Philippines we call it pichay. Well, it's not spinach. That's another vegetable. I use it to boil, and then I put some pepper. Actually, I don't eat meat too much. This vegetable is enough for me, or fish. I wish that is take 3 o'clock. I wish that some vegetable pass by because I am, you know, there's a road in front of me. Not actually secondary road. This is only for tricycle, motor, bicycle. Small road in front of me. Then suddenly, after wishing after wishing a pichay, suddenly after 10 or 15 minutes, so there's already pichay that I need. That is synchronization for me. There's a lot. There's a lot. There's a lot of happening. There's a lot of synchronization happen in my life. But I will share it to more videos, to another videos. And the repeating numbers that come to me is almost daily that I can ignore. Even I was already in the Dangkalan Beach in Bulusan. I just go picnic to bond with my families, to my sister nephews, to my sister children, to bond with them. When I open my cell phone, there's a two, 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 two. Even in the beach. repeating numbers are following me, especially 444, 555, 888, even 666. I see almost 666. That is a plate number in the tricycle in Erosin, Sorsogon, for I am now in Sorsogon, in Erosin. I saw that there's a lot, almost every day, repeating numbers 1111, 111. Anywhere I go, 555. There's too much, almost every day that I can, you know, that is normal to me. Before, I, you know, now it's normal for me. But anyway, in my second video, I will share it more. Please like and subscribe. Sorry for my background. I removed the, because my background is,